Major raffle item. It's an overnight stay at Grams Angler, the Junior Mag-asin. A round of applause, please. Sir, get your landed fish. The Junior Mag-asin. Casting category, second runner-up. Are you still here? Oh, there you go. What a lucky guy! The vlogger, the winner of our Aircon raffle major prize. Sir, get your landed fish. Which one is it? Show it to the world. Weighing 0.430 grams. Checkered snapper. Calling in our first runner-up, earning 5,000 pesos, casting category, a garfish weighing 0.755 grams, angler, Christopher Maratas, casting category, Christopher Maratas. There you go, sir. Congratulations, second runner-up, casting category. In the champion. All right. And the crown goes to, for casting category, bringing home 10,000 pesos. Landing a grouper, which by the way, he only landed after checking in. 5 minutes after checking in. At the very Roro spot behind us. When every caster was doing their casting for almost 5 hours. He just did it for 5 minutes. Alright, he was late, but he's the winner, Mr. Ace Piera! With a weight of 0.970 grouper. Local handline fishing category. Now these are your local fisher folks, Vice Mayor. We're gonna start with the third runner-up. I'm hoping he's here. Earning 3,000 pesos and landing a mahi-mahi or a dorado or pandawan, locally known as a pandawan, weighing 3.6 kilos. Second runner-up goes to Ginny Trangia. A round of applause. He's a local angler, local handline fisher folk. Sir, pick up your landed fish, Dorado Maymay. There you go. Second runner-up, 3,000 pesos, a trophy, and a Windsor loot bag. Pure Tagasugod. Congratulations. Sir, Mr. GB, this is for a request from our Freeman for your coverage. Join us one more time. We're gonna do all three of you later for a pictorial. It comes out to the Freeman. Yes, promoting Sugod as a sports fishing destination. Second runner-up goes to landing a Barracuda. First runner-up, my bad. Thank you, ma'am. First runner-up, landing a Barracuda with a weight of 4.850 kilos. Local angler or local fisher folk, Roel Infante. 5,000 pesos, a trophy, and a Windsor look bag. Lumad taga-sugod. Mga hingigo dyan yung mga taga-sugod. Pick up your Barracuda, sir. Ayay, slippery when wet na ba ng Barracuda, sir? Alright, there you go. That's your second runner-up winner from Sugod, Roel Infante. Alright, our champion for the handline category. This one's a big one. Landing a Dorado, a Mahi-Mahi with a weight of 8.8 kilos and winning 10,000 pesos, Mr. Vicente Brisilas Jr. This particular age is considered as a bull or a male mahi-mahi because of its bulky head. Alright, we'd like to call in the first runner-up and the second runner-up. You guys are locals, we want to feature you in Freeman with Vice Mayor. Please join and center stage. Vice Mayor Richard Estrega, these are your local fisher folks. Jigging category. We're gonna start off with our second runner-up, going home with a cool 10,000 pesos, a trophy, and a Windsor loop bag. Landing a Barracuda on the last minute, right after we cut off.
Yes.
Weighing 2.29 kilos, Mr. Lennox Cebu. Actually, he landed two species, a long tom or a needlefish and a barracuda. So the heaviest landed fish is your entry, and that's his barracuda, weighing 2.29 kilos.
Okay.
Your first runner-up, jigging category, taking home 15,000 pesos, a rusty jobfish, weighing 2.650 kilos, angler Dindo Mondigo of Bourbon Anglers Club, your neighbor. A round of applause, please, from Bourbon Anglers Club, Dindo Mondigo. Rusty Jobfish or locally known as Sagisihon. 15,000 pesos, a trophy, and a Windsor loot bag. Alright, the most anticipated winner of tonight for jigging category, going home with 20,000 pesos. Spotted grouper or sono, locally known, weighing 4.450 kilos. Little background of this landed fish. So this guy or this angler was on his way back to the spot. Their boat broke down. He had to drop while the boatman was fixing his boat, and he landed this fish while the boat was broken down and being fixed. Winner, 20,000 pesos, Camilo Soronio. Camilo, there you go. Do your winning march. This angler landed 3 species. O kaya niya i-pick up. Ito yun. Ano naman?
Dapit sa subo, may usaka paraiso. Imasin natin ang katao sa kabukiran ng tanagatan. Kahanin iyan sa subo, ang
Winning home,
kapagsigado.
20,000 pesos. A trophy and a Windsor bag. Say so. Winners, second and first runner-up, Linux. One picture for Freeman this coming Monday or this weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, you just witnessed the champion giving out his catch to the Vice Mayor for the first Panagsugod Fishing Tournament. A round of applause, please! Napa mo siya doon catch, Vice?
Ako may nakadaog.
Congratulations, Vice Mayor. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our awarding ceremony. Safe trip back home. Thank you, Municipality of Sugod, Cebu, and Movco Aid Organization. Thank you.